Hi, my name's Mark Bailey. I'm the Director of Audio for Harman in Europe, Middle East, Africa, and welcome to ISE 2023. We are here with the Control Contractor stand, part of our range. This has been the standard for installed loudspeakers for many, many years. The ability to install them indoors, outdoors. They are IP rated, IP55 and above typically, and we have some new additions to that range. We have some low profile speakers on the wall behind me, and of course our columns, which can acoustically control the sound, so not only do they look good, very elegant, but they put the sound exactly where you want it in an acoustically very, very pleasing way. We also have some new garden loudspeakers, both for in the ground and what would be commonly called a mushroom loudspeaker and subwoofers, and this range really complements what is an absolute standard for not only for us but contractors around the world. I would invite you to come and see us if you're at ISE, and if not, please look us up on jblpro.com.